Yo guys, this is the first ever metro rail in the whole of Nigeria. It's not functional after 40 years. Let's take a ride. This is the inside. So chilling, fully air conditioned, so neat. And there are serious measures put in place to ensure the service is being maintained. While riding comfortably to your destination, you could get a glimpse of the city of Lagos. Yes, this train is in Lagos State. My goodness, you need to see the modern infrastructures on the train stations. This is mind-blowing.